Trendline fakeout. A trendline is not broken until price breaks the previous tap as well, after which price might retrace to retest the tap or the trendline. Price may break a trendline and trap breakout traders only to return and continue the trend. Trendlines are so subjective. You can draw it like this and like that. There's even dudes doing this shit. Just like levels, trend lines shouldn't be a line, but an area, because price might never reach your line or go past it and you're gonna think it's a freaking breakout. So I suggest you use the parallel channel tool instead and try including the wicks too. This way you can reduce fake out chances. And then for the subjectivity, how about using the regression trend tool? It's automatic, so everyone should have a similar trend line now. Subscribe for more trading tips. Here's how I trade trend line breaks. I look for an uptrend. I draw my trend line and try to get as many touches as I can. 1, 2, 3 touches. Afterwards, I wait for a trend line break. And right there, we've had our trend line break. I grab my rectangle tool and highlight the candle that broke the trend line. And then I simply wait for the price to come back to the candle that broke the trend line. And right here is where I would enter a trade with my stop loss above the candle that broke the trend line. And I would usually aim for the level where the price consolidated the most, like right here for example. This works on every market and here are a couple of examples. Subscribe for more trading tips.